Cleo,
Yes.
do you ever get tired in the middle of the day?
Yeah.
What do you do when you get tired in the middle of the day?
Yawn.
You yawn. Can you show me a yawn? Oh. Oh, so when you yawn, you go, ooh, like that? Can you show me another big yawn, Cleo? Wow, that is a big yawn. We do it again, and I'll do one. Ready? Yes, you yawn when you're
Tired.
tired, and when you're tired, it's good to have a little nap, isn't it? I think I might have a nap right now. Ooh. Are you going to have a nap?
Yeah.
Okay, let's all have a nap now. Ooh. Cleo and I, we're having a nap because we're tired. You see, we've been yawning, haven't we? Lots of yawns. Let's do another big yawn. Yeah, you see, we're very tired, so we're going to have a nap. Good night.